Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the automatic screen rotation isn't working properly on your Anbernic RG556 console. First of all, swipe down the control center on your device and enable auto rotation manually by tapping right here. Then try checking your auto rotation by tilting your device to different sites in different applications. Sometimes some applications do not support auto rotation, so you can open, for example, the browser on your device. You can also open other applications like settings. I'm pretty sure the auto rotation works well in settings. No, I'm not so sure. I used to be. In case it doesn't work properly or isn't working properly, just like in my case, just restart your phone to reset your gyro sensors. To do so, press and hold the power button, then select restart option on your screen and wait until your device is restarted, and then try checking this feature out. Once your device is restarted, enter the same applications once again and try using your auto rotation feature once again, and yeah, it probably just doesn't work in the settings, but it does work in the web browser. Also you can go to the last page on your apps menu, go to the software updates app, and then swipe down the control center. Make sure that you are connected to the internet, and if you are connected to the internet, check for a new software version. If there is some, then of course update your device to the latest software version and check if your auto brightness starts working after that. And the last thing that you can do to resolve this issue is to enter the safe mode. To do so, press the power button for a couple of seconds, then hold your finger down on the power off option for a couple of seconds, and tap OK next to reboot to safe mode option. Then wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted into the safe mode, you will see the safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen. Now try checking your auto rotation feature once again. Check if it works, and at this point it should definitely work. And if it still doesn't want to work on your device, then it's probably due to some hardware issues, maybe some gyroscope sensors not working properly. In such case, if you want to resolve this problem, you should take your device to the nearest repair center and let the specialists take care of your device. Lastly, you can also perform a factory reset operation if you are not afraid to lose your data. You can also back up your data somewhere else before doing so. But to perform a factory reset operation, go to settings, go to system settings, swipe down to reset options, and then select erase all data, and then confirm by tapping right here and providing your password. If you want to exit the safe mode, hold down the power button for a while and select restart option on your screen. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.